everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make your Android feel much faster, almost like an iPhone. I understand a lot of people face a lot of issues with their Android phone slowing down over time, and that kind of makes you feel worthless and buy a new iPhone. But yeah, this is a good technique to stop that, and you can just make your Android feel much faster and smoother. So it's a simple setting. I'll show you how to get it done. So let's get to the phone. So first thing you gotta do is go to your settings, and then you scroll all the way down. You go to your about phone, and then you can find here something called software information. Click on that, and in this you should find something called the build number, and just you keep tapping on it and it will unlock developer option. So you need to get your pin. Let me do that. Okay, so it shows that developer mode has turned on. So just go back to the main settings and you can see developer options are on now. So you can get on this and go all the way down where it says animations. Just a second. Yeah, so you can see three settings here called animated duration scale, transition animation scale, and window animation scale. So what you gotta, it's all at default at 1x. So what you gotta do is change these three settings to 0.5 and 0.5 and just see the difference of the smoothness. Like I can change here, it feels much smoother. The more time that you use it, once these settings are done, it'll feel much faster, as you can see. So try it out and please do let me know if any issues with that, and try to find more obscure ways to making your Android feel like an iPhone, which is smooth and fast. Thank you. Okay, so to explain why I chose this topic for my video, so it's because a lot of Android customers face issues with slowing down of the phone over the years. Like maybe after a year or two after buying their new Android phone, let it be a Samsung or any Android phone, it slows down over time, which it's a big headache for a lot of people, and that's the reason why iPhones are so famous and expensive. But this will target that niche crowd that don't want to can't afford an iPhone and don't want to buy an iPhone but have no choice and do it anyways. So this video will probably help them, and this target audience would probably be the age of, like, can go all the way from 18 to even the older above 60s people who are still using an Android because they can't afford an iPhone or don't know how it works. So this will help them a lot, and yeah, this would be my target audience, and that was the reason why I chose this topic. Thank you.